Welcome to this series. In this series, we are going to make a real app that is used in many restaurants. You may have seen billing system. We are going to design some things like this, and we will make the exe file too for that. Now, first of all, I will create a new project for this new file, and I will save this. We will use tkinter for this. Now I will save this file to desktop. I have created some file. And here this will be my file. We will use tkinter, so we will import tkinter here from tkinter all things. Now first of all we have to initialize the in this video you will only design for Windows. We will not any swapping anything. We will not do for today. For this video, next video we will do all the things. First we will design. First of all I will create window with tk and window dot main loop. If you are new in tkinter, then you can watch series. I will provide link below. And for window we can change window dot geo with geometry. I think this is the right one. I will make this 600 by 600. Let's save it and see if I got this. This is 600 by 600. Now I will give title for this window dot title. I will make this title to I'll simply make billing. And let's start this because we have made this all the thing. First of all I need something. I will we will create first of all of login. So I will make everything in one page. You will know how to make a one page application in Python. Here I will define a function called login. I'll make this admin login. It will not take anything, rather it will be called here. First of all it should be called here, and in this I will first of all place a text. You know that we can place a label. I will say this title level is equal to label, and we have to pass here master. Here you have get this something of docs, and here master will be window here, and text will be you can take. I will make P and E billing. I should create this title with dot grade to what I have to grade is, I think this should be in a row is equal to 0, and column 2 on 0 and is equal to, I will make this to 3, no I will make this to 2, and padding to x position with 10 comma 0 means on the left side it will be 10 and in right side 0, and padding on y in upper side I will make to 10 and on the lower side I will make it to 0. It should be nice. First of all we will check this. I think this should be nice. Yes, this is good. For now we will customize this by making this fonts larger. Now I have to make something. I have to insert two more level. This is, I should make this level another level. I think this should be 40 and 40. No, 40 not, this will 10 will be sufficient. Login level is equal to level, and window text is equal to admin login, and we will change font later. Login level dot grade, we have to make most of things in this. The row is equal to 1, column I will make 2. I think I have to make this to 2, and pad x to I will make to 20, and pad y to 10. Now I need more to username level is equal to level, window text is equal to username, and username that grade, this is the spelling, grade I will grade to row is equal to 2, column is equal to I will make to 2, and pad x I will not use for now. Password level is equal to level, window text is equal to password, and grade I should grade this to row is equal to 3, column is equal to 2. Now I need two entry box. For now user name entry is equal to entry, here I need master is equal to window text variable is equal to, I will say username var username grade dot grade, I'll grade this to row is equal to 2, column is equal to 3. I think this should be sufficient for me. Username, sorry for this, I should make this to password, print entry window is equal to password var is equal to 3 to 3. if you are getting some problem, you could go through the tkinter tutorial. Now we have used this variable, but we have not defined this username where is equal to string. Sorry for this string here. I think this is password where is equal to this is the field we need. This video is being long. Now something is missing here. I will see that any error. I think here is some error. Column is equal to row is equal to 3. Column is equal to 3. I think on everything is right, but username box is not available. Sorry for this. This is password. Now it has been good looking for now. Let's make a button for here. Login button is equal to button window text is equal to login point is equal to 20 and is equal to 2. I think it is so small. We will only design this login for this video, and we will continue for next video. Now here I will grade this. That grade I will grade this to row is equal to 4, column is equal to 2. Should be perfect for me. Let's see what a column span had to be added. Is equal to 2. Here we should use padding 2. Pad x is equal to, I think we have to make this to, let's make 20 and pad y to 5. I will copy these both for all. Let's make this. Now it is looking nicer than, but here password it is visible, then we will make this invisible. For now let's make this invisible. For this we have to make, I think here should, no, this is password entry, and I should make here so is equal to, I should make something, anything you can make this to show. Yes, it is showing me in the password format. Now this is how you can make. Now we will add design to this. Now for now here I will make this font to Arial 20 40. Let's check for this if it will work for me. Yes, it is working for me. I think column span should be 4. Yes, this is nice enough for now. Now this admin should be shifted for now, should be shifted to center. Now here add x is equal to 20. Instead of this I will make this to 3 and I will not use padding. And same I will use font here is equal to Arial and with size of 30. Here I will change the foreground fg is equal to I'll make this to green. You can make anything. I think this should work for me. Yes, it is working for me. Admin login should be in the center, but it is admin login column is equal to 2 and pad x is equal to I will make this to 50. This will be working fine. I think this should not be. This username has same column is equal to 2 pad x is equal to I will make this to 0. It should now works for me. When it is not working for me, let's we will see this and let's make more thing here. Yeah, there is no column span for this is equal to 2. This should be also taken care as it is now working good for me. Now everything is good. In next video we will make the main panel, admin panel. Actually we have made this system. In this video we will create a new window for us. Now let's create this window for here. I will define another function. This will be main window. Here I will place same this thing, so will be same. I'll make this to same one. I think there is some, and I will decrease to 30. I will make this column is equal to 1. Now here I will use on button. Let's make this to main window. Here I have changed this to main window here because I have made this video so you may not see when I am changing. Now this should be working fine. Yes, this is working fine. Now I should made here. First of all, I should made a button. I'll make 2 button here, and I'll make first button sorry for this, add new item is equal to button. Window will be the same, text is equal to add item. Now we will not give any command for now. I will make this y to 20 and y to 2. Grid. I will grid this here. In row is equal to 0. One column should be column is equal to 0 and pad x is equal to 10. I'll make this inside this and pad y to same 10 comma 0. Now like this I will make another button here, log out button is equal to button. I will make this to window, text is equal to log out void same to 20 and height to 2. I'll copy this same thing and I will change this below. Now I should make this so little bit tough. That grade row is equal to, I'll make this to 2 column, sorry for this I'll make to 1 and I will make 5. I will make this to 5 and same thing will be placed. Let's run it. These two buttons should be placed here and there, but due to this it has been moved so far away. Let's make this, I think this should be a 15 is too much for me, and same thing will be here 15, and I think column is span of 3. Now I have button but it is still going back. I will remove this X padding here and it should came to the line. Again it is not coming. I should remove this. Now it has looking nice. I have forgot to write T. Now here we will make the drop down for now. Now we have to make something called, it is our main below this. First of all I will make two things. Here I will make label. In this label I'll make something label to, I think this item label is equal to label. I will give master to window and text is equal to select item. Item I will not give anything for this item label. Grade, I should grade this to row is equal to 2, column is equal to 0 and pad x now I should give pad x, I give pad x to 5 comma 0. Now I will make another label. This should be quantity label. Undo comma text is equal to, I'll make this to quantity and item label this that grid. I will grid to row is equal to 2, same row column 2. I will make this, I think this should be 2. Pad x is equal to, I will make this to 5 comma 0. Now I should make a button. Here I will make button bill. It will generate a bill for me. Button window text is equal to generate bill void is equal to, I will make this to 20, and will that I will read this to the same line row is equal to 2, column is equal to 2. This should be column is equal to 2, 3, 4. I think this is 4, and pad x to 5 comma 0. Let's see what we have got now. It has removed that logout button. Where is our logout button? 8, column is equal to 5. We should make this to 4. Same column. Let's see if we got logout button is not thing, but we will make this something good, nicer one, and nice. Here I think we have to give pad y2 for all. Now I think this should, I will make this to 15 so that it will be accompanied with that point. Now I need a drop down box. Before that I should make sure that I have variable. Now first of all I should make some option for me with the list. I'll make something like this. Options is equal to, I will make option to some variables. I will make for now sake, and what we can make is noodles. I'll make this only for this so that we will make drop down, but later we will make a database for this. Now I will create item item variable. I'll make this item variable is equal to string var, and I will set this to item variable dot, I will set to option dot 0 position. I will set to this 0 position. Now I will create option for this. Here after this select item, here I will create what I was making item item drop down is equal to option menu window. Then I should make this variable name. What my variable name is tm item variable, and I should pass the reference of options. I think this is asterisk signs means it will locate the memory location for this item drop down dot grade. I'll grade this to row is equal to 2, column is equal to 1, pad x is equal to 10 comma 0, and pad y is equal to 10 comma 0. Now we should check this. Something is string var for this. I forgot, guys. Here is I think where this string var is here. Now again something is option is not defined. Sorry for this. I am making some silly mistakes. Now we have list here. We will make a quantity here of this. Now we have quantity text here. I think where that text is a quantity here, one space for this. Now I should make this quantity entry. T is equal to entry text, sorry for this text variable is equal to, I'll make quantity var grade. I will grade this to row is equal to 2, column is equal to 3, and I will copy this. Save this. Now it should be good enough for me. Sorry for this, I have not defined quantity var. For this I am making this all the things super global so that we can use this. Again something is wrong here. Let's set this string var. This should be string. Now we have made this something here. We will use quantity what we need. We can select something here, but before that we have to add something here. Now here in this area we will make tree view so that we will track all the detail of the and generated a bill, and we could print again that bill. Thank you for welcome back here. Previously we have made something like this, as we have made this, but this I have planned to change this. Now we have to make this button listen. Now on button click we have to make that, but before that we will design that part, then we will make the click list. Now here this is admin, this is admin panel. Define add item, and this will be the function that will take same level here, and I have planned to make four to five field, and let's make this. You can make this presently. Now this column span I will change to 3. Yes, this will be 3, and I will make this wide. Wide is equal to, I think I should make to 3 500, because I will change the wide of this box to, I think I should make this 900. I need more. Now here I will add 2 by 2. I will add, first of all I will add the name of item, item name level is equal to level window text is equal to name, void is equal to, should make no need of void, and font I will make to no need of font here. I think this will be sufficient. Item name grid, I will grade this to row is equal to 1, column is equal to, I will make to 2 for this. I think this no 2, I will make this to 4 5. I think we will make this later. Pad X I will define later by looking the design, and this will be 10. Now I will copy all things like this and make this to, I think 0. Let's make to 0. This will be 4. 0. This will be 2. This will be price. No, this is rate. And what we can make this with is, we can make this type, so that we can print this type of this, and what we can make is, I don't think of more we have to make, and we can make like prepare type, what this, if it is packageable or it is not. Let's make this to, I think I'll make this to store type, store type. Now I have to change all the things. I'll make this to 2 and 0, and this will be 2. Let's see what we have get, but we have not defined that. First of all we have to call this instead of main window. For now everything has gone where I don't know where they have gone. No error with this. Let's remove this width. I think this width should taken all the types. This has taken all the types, but I will make this width of I think equal to 50. Let's see if we get this should be nice for me, but this has moved so far and far. This 40 will be sufficient for me. Let's try with 40 and see. This is a nice one. I will make this column span is equal to 5 so that it would be great for me when it is not giving me. Let's try with this 1 3 3 for this 1 and 3. This should be perfect for me now, as here there will be text box there and here will be button. This is not looking good one, but you can make this good one. Now first of all we will declare all the variables. Let's comment here. These are global variable. For TRIS entries. Now this is for these are username and password variable. I may comment this to login variable. They are login variable, and these are I think these are main window variable, and we will create another line for this will be I think add item variables. Now I will make I think I should make something like this. Where is that name rate type store? Name where is equal to string where and add I will add here add item rate where so that this will be different, and add item type where is equal and add item what I have made this was is to type is equal to string where it is so long, so I will make shorter than store where now we will use this where with entries item name entry is equal to entry window text variable is equal to I will make this what I have made is add item name here here. No need to do other thing. And item name entry dot grid. I should create same thing. Instead of this, I'll change only one thing. Here I will make two instead of that. Let's copy this and paste here. Here I have to make one, and here and here. Let's quickly change the name. This should be, I have not changed that, to item rate level, and I will copy this, paste this. This is item type level. Copy this, paste this, and start type. This divide type level, and create this. Now entry, same entry I will make rate level, and sorry for this, no level entry, and this is item type entry, and same thing for this, and this is store entry. Let's make this shorter. Now this should give me a fine view if I am not wrong, but here it is saying me text variable is not defined. Yes, there was spelling like ABLE, and let's paste to all of this. Again, something is wrong, but I am not getting that. What was wrong? Yeah, wrong was the thing was, or this entry was, this was 4, this was of 2, and this of 2, and this of 4. Let's run it. It should give me a fine view. Now we can enter here rate store type something here. Now I will make here button after this, and here I will make here to here large one, or no large one, but I will make here 20. Here add item button is equal to, and this will be of type button, window text is equal to item, and wide is equal to, I make the 20, height is equal to 2, I'll grade this to row is equal to 3, column is equal to, I'll make to 3, and pad y is equal to, I'll make this to 10, 0. Now this is fine for me. And this is my same file. If I got, yes, this is the same file. Now you can make this. Now in next video we will make the menu window. First of all, we will create all the things for menu window, and we will start doing our database for database. Now before we move to that, I will show you how to make this. Let's open cmd. Here if we have made the environmental variable of the python, then you can type pip install py mysql. I have already installed that. And if you are not, simply make run, and here I think percentage temp, and here in local, here in programs python, and inside this you should go to script, and here you have to run cmd, and you should get pip install py mysql. Hello and welcome back. In previous video we have made some view, but I want to change the main window for now. For this, let's copy this and paste there. Let's see what we have in the main window first of all, and we will start. Here I have this thing that are here, but I don't need this thing. Just I want to make here quantity, and I have to add cost of that, and I want to display the rate here of that selected item. Now for this, let's start doing that. For that, now just add this here where our main window is. Let's go here, and I will make quantity to row 3, and this same to row 3, so that we could get this and this to row 3. Now here after this select item, I have made something like this. If the button should be 4s. Now I will make the rate to display rate label is equal to label, and I will pass window comma text is equal to, I will make rate. I will create this to equal to 2 column. I think I should create this to 2. Yes, column is equal to 2, and I will give pad x and pad y to same this. We paste this. After this I will make a rate value is equal to label. This value should be dynamic, so I will not give here text. I will give this to text variable is equal to, I will make rate var. I will make this later. For now, rate value dot grid, I will grid to row is equal to 2, and column is equal to 3. Pad x we have already copied it, so paste it. Now after this I will make the column 3. I don't think this is 3. This should be 0, 1, and I will make the cost variable. Cost label is equal to label, and I should make window text is equal to cost level dot grade. I'll grade to row is equal to 3, column is equal to, I think this is 2, and padding of this. Now I need cost entry is equal to entry, and I'll make this window text variable is equal to cost where. Sorry for this, I have already made this, and cost entry dot grade should grade this to row is equal to 3, column is equal to 3, and same thing. Now let's see if we have get nicer one, but yes, there is no rate variable, and this, let's make those variable on main variable. Here main variable should be like this. Here we should make rate variable. Rate var is equal to string var. We will show this rate var. First of all, before this I will make a rate for this is equal to, I will make this for 1 for now, and I will make this rate var dot set. For this set, here you can make this with floating point. I will make this with floating point, and you can write this percentage sign for this point to f. I'll make point to f, and you can make this pass an item rate. Now it will show this, but we need another variable, that is cost var is equal to string var. For this var, this should be like this, and let's see if we got, yes, I have got this, but this is still good. I think this should, if we make 60 by 60, it will be okay for us. Now we will make more this because I need value for tree view. It is nice for now. Here rate, here this. Before we proceed, we will make a tree view. Now for this, let's create a tree view. Before that, we have to import library from tkinter, import ttk. This is the tree view library we need. Main, I will make this. Here I will comment this with main tree view, because we will use tree view on update 2. And let's see, let's make tree view. I'll make bills tv means tree view is equal to ttk dot tree view. Sorry for this, ew tree view, and I'll make height. I think height display is same. 10. I will give columns. We should give less columns than that, and I will give here item name. Sorry for this, name. This will be quantity because this will be a build of all, and this is all for us. Now we have to fix this on our window. For this we have to make where our main window is. Below this I will make bills tv.grid. I will make this to row is equal to 5. Okay. Think we have I want to make on row here, so I have left that bill label. It will be label that, so label of bill and text is equal to bills. Font I will make this to Arial 25. Bill label dot grade. I will grade this to row is equal to 4 and column is equal to 2. Now here I will make column is equal to 0, column span to 5. Let's see. Now I will make a scroll bar that should scroll down 8. Scroll bar is equal to scroll bar. This is the property of tkinter. Orient is equal to, I will make this to vertical. Command I will give this command is equal to bills tv dot y view. This will be in y axis. Now I will grade let grade. I should grade this to row is equal to 5 in same row. Column I will grade to 4 and I will stick this to the point NSE, north, south and east. You should track this yourself. Now I will configure bills tv dot configure y command y scroll command is equal to scroll bar dot set. It will set the command. Now we should provide heading for this bills tv dot heading. I will make this heading with we have to pass heading of as means it will reference the as will reference the position with 0 1 2 3 4. Now and it should have text is equal to I will make this item name. I have explained why we use one list before in our session when we have studied about tkinter. So I want to say you to go back there. If you have any query about this, let's go ahead. This is 2 and this is quantity. I should again make this to 3. Now let's see what we have got. Is error here. Here I have get this, but it is not working for me for now. But there is some error. US. I think there is Y scroll command. Let's see. Again there is error. Bills TV is not defined. Yes, so we have to make this all changes, changes and changes. Now this should be right. Yes, this is right and this is not anymore. You can make this too, but you should know how much you need. This is the last position for this. Now it is looking good for us. This has been automatically changed due to this. Here what will be generated will be saved in the database and we will extract this into this, but in later this will be for only one quantity. First of all we will create generate bill for only one quantity, then after we will create for more than one quantity and we will print that. Thank you for watching this video. In next video we are going to make the listening for these two boxes. Thank you. Welcome back. Before this we will make here another comment. Here I'll make this to data filter, because we will make this to filter data and changes. Let's make this data entry field listener. Here I will create a function called quantity field listener. This will listen the quantity file. Before that we have to make global variable where our global is, I'll make this quantity and global cost where. This is the global variable for us. Now let's start with this. First of all I should get quantity from this. Quantity is equal to get. From this, first of all I should make if it is null or not. If quantity does not equal to null, then I should try to parse it, try to change quantity is equal to, I think this is an int. No, I will make this to float because it may be in our decimal place. Quantity I will accept error. If it is not, then I will change. If it is null, quantity where this is same, that's set. I will set this to 0.00. This should be right. No, I will not print. I will not make this because it should cause me something else. Quantity is equal to 0, and same we have fixed it here. This should be same there, and this should be quantity. Now it will get this, and we will try to make a more thing. Now you will get what we means. Now we will get, I should get here global rate, item rate. Now here I should calculate, sorry for this, rate cost should be is equal to quantity multiplied by item rate, and let's start quick building. We should same here, we should copy and paste it. Same will be occupied there, it will be shown on two decimal place, and cost where that's set, it will be set same with percentage to f, and this will be I think cost. Let's see if we got that. Before that we have to pass this to our variable where our quantity varies. Here we have to trace, sorry for this, the trace, we have to trace for this, for w, and this variable we have to pass. What this will give us three variable index value and something there, we will make this abc, because we will not use this, but we should pass, we should read this variable. In this variable it will call all the things, three things. Let's run this. If we have no error, no error 8, let's make this one. Yes, yeah, it is multiplying how many you have make. Let's make the rate to be 2, so that we would get the right one. Let's see if we get 2. Yes, this is 4, and something like this. Here you can make this, and it will automatically make 0. Same thing will be done for this, so that if I change here, it should change automatically here. Now for this, let's again create same thing for this. Define cost field listener. It will take A, B, and C. Here I will make same global variable for this. Let's copy this so that our time will be saved. And let's say cost is equal to cost var dot get. Now if cost does not equal to, I think I have done something wrong here in above. Let's, we will correct this. Here I may have done, if this means it, if it is not error, we have to make this quantity to quantity, and we have to make to last position. You will see what we have done there. I will not make that to this. Let's make again try. I will keep this same, and we will see here. I'll show you what that is. And let's first of all I will make in cost variable same cost is equal to float cost and quantity is equal to cost divided by rate, and I should set quantity where here is same thing I have to set. I think there is cost where something is wrong here. Define, yes, I have not make try, and this is now I will accept this will be value error, and like previously I have shown there I'll change to that. Now I'll make cost is equal to cost, and this will be up to here cost where let's set cost. Here I will use else cost is equal to 0, and same thing cost where should be I think, and this should be like this cost where should be here. Now here I will show difference in the both code. Let's see first of all this 1 2 3. If I insert as it has make 0, but it has not changed this. But I will show you here. I think I have not applied this. Let's apply this and change this. When that cost variable cost var dot trace, think this is w quantity, sorry for this cost field is here. Let's start here. Here I have made D, but it is not tracing for me. It should give me error, but it is not giving me error. Here something is wrong. I will show what I have done wrong. And cost where that get. Let's see again. It is not showing me. It should. It is me, but it is not showing this. Let's not worry about that. It will be automatically done. Let's do for the same things to this. Quantity is equal to float quantity dot minus 1, else quantity is equal to 0. Let's set, and this should be percentage 2f percentage quantity. Let's see, this should erase this, but if it will not do. Then we will check this. Yes, it has shown me a value converted 110, but it should list me the last position for this quantity. I have assigned this quantity. Value error, no need of this to set. I will not make this float and see if I got this. Yeah, it is finding me some these values and nothing. I will see this in.
Welcome back. In this video we are going to add database and something in this project. First of all, I will change something in this add item. Here I will add something called back button to go back when we need or we have finished our box. This will be window and text will be back, and let's start giving command is equal to here I will give command of go back. Now I will grade this button that grade. Here I will grade this to row is equal to 0, column is equal to 1, and I will change this column, sorry for this, what I have done, column to 2 and span to 4. This should be nice for me. Then another type I will change the store type here. This is not entry, this will be option menu. I think this is option menu window text variable is equal to, here we have to change all the thing. Here I have forgot to change this. Here this is add, I think this is stored where there above you can see this variable. Here you can see this all variable, and I think I remember here this is add item, this may be type, and this is there, and this is add item rate there. All the things has been done. Here I need option star store option. I have given this reference. Now I will create this store options above here in the with the variable here is equal to, I will give two variable, one is frozen and next is I should give this fresh. Now this has been done, but we have to make add store var dot set. I have to set this to store options. This should be give 0 position. Now this should look nice. Here instead of admin login, I will rename this as login window, and it will not change anything. In main window no change, and here we have changed it. I will change this to item add window so that we can get more variable with this. Let's see if we have get this. If I click, it will get wrong one. Now all the things are right, and our button we have not given, it will give error because I have not defined this. Go back, I will define later, but before that we have to start our main motive. Let's start this with login activity. Let's start this with login. Now I will work with database. It will be good for everyone to work with database. So first of all, I recommended you to download jam server for you and start this control panel, and let's go to dashboard. And I will go to PHP my admin. Here I will create new database. I will rename call this database as, I should say this as mm, bill service. Now I should create first of all users, so that I will get here username and password. Username both will be very varchar, and this will be 32 and 32. I will make this to primary key. Now save this database and insert some values here. Now I will insert here. We will try to make here encrypted password, but now I will simply make admin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's go with this. Now our database has been created. For now, where is our database? This is our database. This is users. Now I need to create a function that would handle all the databases. Before that, I should import something. Before that, yes, I have told you that previously to install pymysql. I will import this, and I will import another library from tkinter. I will import, I think this is message box. We will check that later, and let's go with login. Here I will define admin login after some here. Here I will define this. I will comment here. This will be admin login function. Define admin login. Now this should, I will make global username var. It should be same. Here are username var and global. I will global password var. Now I will get username is equal to username var dot get. Password is equal to var dot get. These are things. Now we have to establish connection. Connection is equal to pymysql dot connect. We should connect to our host. Host is equal to, I will connect to localhost. This is our host, and user 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 is equal to root. It will be default for our server, jam server, and password it will be default, it will null, and db is equal to what we create bill. I think this is bill service, something like that. What I have created as bill service, it is of a small letter. Let's copy this, paste. Now connection has been created and it has been opened automatically, and we have to create cursor, and cursor should be with created with connection.cursor. I will use this simple cursor with index. Now I will make query to select star from users where name is equal to this. I think we have to include with this, and sorry, this, and password. This should be compulsory, both should be matched, so that we will get format in format I will pass name and password. Now we have to execute this cursor dot execute. We have to execute this query. Now after that we have to find data inside this. Data is equal to cursor dot fetch all. This will fetch all the data. I will make admin is equal to false for now. For row in data. If you are getting problem in this database, then you can visit our previous videos. I will provide link for all the things start from starting. Now this will be true. Now I will close connection dot close. It will close the connection. Now I will check if admin is present or not. If admin present, I will start main window like this. Else sorry for this else I have imported, I think I have imported wrong one, so error, and I will print this invalid user. I will pass message. This is heading and this is message. Credential enters are invalid. Now we have to change that same one to this. Let's try to run that one. Before that we have to configure something. We have configured this already. Now here in login button we have to give command is equal to lambda, and in lambda we have to pass that function admin login. Let's run and see if we got right one. If I click, it should give me login. It is said me cursor dot execute. No execute exe. I have typed wrong one. Now again type. It is giving me invalid because I have add. Let's give same admin and admin and wrong password, and it should give again. And let's give 1 2 3 4 5 6 right password but wrong username, and it will give. What happen if I give right one? Let's see. It has override all the things. For that we have to remove that previous widget. For that I will make a function. This function will create function to be remove all widget. Define. I will define be remove all widgets. Here in remove all widgets I will make global. We should make this window global for all, but we have not make. But now I will make this because this will be the main one. For widget means there is any widget in window dot. Window means that our window, and window info underscore children. If there is some widgets, any widget like label, anything there, label entry this widget dot grid, we have to remove it. We have to remove the grid, and let's pass this before we start new window. Now it should start me a new window. Let's see. Now it is saying make good, nice one, nicer. Now I will make this clickable so that we could go on that Now here I think here is add item button. Yes, this is the same one what we need. Command is equal to here. I should give this to lambda and add item. I will make this item listener. Now I'll create this same function above here. After that I will create this. Here I will simply remove. Here is our function, and let's change that same item admin. This is nice one. For now let's run that, and we will make for go back to now. We have to make this and this listenable. Now here let's define function. I think this is same function. We will check later. If we get error, we have to remove this. We have to copy and paste this one line. I think this one is the line we need. Now this is nice one. Let's create a function add item. Now here I will create add item define. Let's make more space here. Add item. This will I will global all variable. I think let's go global add item name var. Let's pause this and now I have type all the global variable in this. Now we have to get name is equal to item name var dot get rate is equal to add var dot get, and I make this type is equal to add item type var dot get, and now last is store type is equal to add already store var get. Now I want to make id of name id is equal to, I will simply make a name id of name dot replace I will not use blank space there. I will use name with replace space with underscore. If there is space then it will create. Now then after we have to create new table. I will create this as item list. Here I will add a name id, and I will create here name id. Then after I have I think rate is type and store type. I make all the things varchar. Now I'll give this 50 and I'll give this rate to 5. This will be 50. This will be type will be 30. 30 is sufficient, and this is 10 is sufficient for our. Now here this should be primary key and it will be automatically unique key. Let's go. save it and let's start here. Now we will insert data in this table. Here we have table. I will create that. First of all, we will create a connection. Here we have already the connection variable. Here I have connection variable. I will use same that one here. Now here I will make query into, I will make this query to item list. I think this is, and values should be something like this. Now let's view that table and let's make this is other one. Now this will take name ID, rate, type, store type. Now only this we need. Now here we will just copy paste this 4 and 5. I think this is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and format I will give to name comma name ID comma rate. I think this is rate, and this is type comma store type. Now I will execute that query. Now connections should be commit and connections should be close. Now after this I will make add item name where dot set. I'll set to null point for this add item set where dot set. This will be also a null point, and add item type where dot set. I will set this to same now. Now before that I want to make something. I will show you here. First of all, here we have not extracted this, but I want to extract these things from that list. This is our previous things, and this rate, all things should be dynamic. If there is no item in the table, so we have to send that to add item. Now for to do this, I think we have to make something like this. I will make this like, I will read the data first. I'll make here on function call function to read data from list of item. Now here I will define data, read all data here. First of all, I will make this variable to null for here, and I will create a dictionary here to option dict. I think this is not rate dictionary is equal to, I will make this dictionary to empty dictionary, and where our function is here. I'll first of all global these values, global options and global rate dictionary and global item variable. Here I will be adding variable, we need this, and global we have to change the rate. Now first of all I'll make options to null, because every time I will make this to null, and I will insert that, and this will be also empty. Then we have to make connection, where our connection variable we have already made over this, but I will use something different in the cursor. I will use dictionary in the cursor. Here I will use py mysql dot cursor cursors dot dictionary cursor cursor. Now query is simple. Select star from item list. Simple. This is the query cursor dot execute query. I will make count is equal to 0. Data is equal to cursor dot is all. You can make this count to above also, but I have made. You don't confuse for this for row in data. If there is row, I will increment count to 1, and I will make options. Sorry for this. Options dot append. I will append this new row, and this should be, I think, name ID. Let's see on our file where my file is. I don't know where my file is. That's name ID. Name is that. Let's take this above the line. Now option has been added to list. Now we have to change many things for this. Now I will make item. Sorry for this. No item. Rate dictionary. DICT dictionary should be given same thing as the part key value, and I will give value to row, then I will give this to row. Rate. Now I should make item variable dot set. I should set this to option 0. We have to remove from above one. I think we have to remove from this. It will give error. Option 1, and I should make rate where my rate is. I think where the item rate. That was item rate. I should make this item rate. Here item rate should be this rate is equal to int, and this will be row rate. I will not make this like this. I will make a rate DICT dictionary, and I will pass here option 0. This will convert to integer 1, and we should close this. Close. Connection should be closed, and then I will again global on variable rate var. I should configure this rate var set. Now this should give me for this, if this is something called item, if count double is equal to 0, then it should be moved to this window of this item. Now we have to move this here. Let's see if works or not. It is not showing me anything. Missing item option, item variable in someone, their value option has not been required. Missing something is wrong there. I will fix it here. I have traced that problem that we have got. I have made on changes here. This change is only for this, no more than this. I have, if this is count, I have made same this variable, but before that all read all data is assigned to admin here. It will check this admin panel and no need to this remove all widget from that, and we will get all the, we will first of all read all data if there is null or not, and it will go back. Let's preview that. Let's put here admin and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we have to log in here, and we have added. Now let's add data because we have write this program. It may have created, I think I have written that value. It may have created a null point. Nothing has been inserted. Let's create that button first of all. Add item has been created. We have successfully created that data, but we have not done, I think I have not done anything for it. Where is that button? Here command is equal to lambda, and I will make this variable. Now here I think nothing else to be made here. Let's run here. If I log in here, then I should put here. I will make this, first of all I will make this sec. I will make this banana sec rate. I will make this to 10. Type is equal to nutrition. Store type it will be fresh. Add item as it has been added. Chocolate sec, and rate will be 40. You can make anything here. Type will be same this NUTR ITION nutrition, and I will make this same to fresh, and something I will make this Coke 10, and beverage this will be of frozen. Let's add only this item. Let's go back. I have not on value. This is missing required one positional value. Again something is wrong there. I'll fix this again. One positional value has been written. When we return to dash position, we should get that error value. Let's see that. Now every time I have forgotten that we have to check that database. We have to check that database every time for that value, so that we would get the reference of that value. And on go back, I have read all the data. I have called that function so that you can directly check that data too, but I have made this function. Let's remove this function and add this read data to our add item function. I think there is go back button. In go back button I will directly pass this command, where our command is go back. Instead of this we can paste this, and let make this. Now it have data. Let's see what we have add, but it is showing me 10 10 10. We will fix it later, but I have back and no problem. Now let's change that when this is when this will be click, it should change the position. For this we will use listener. I will make the listener for drop down option menu listener. Here above this I will make option menu listener. I will pass event here because I will not pass any lambda there and it will take event. I will shoot global variable to get data from it. Item dix sorry for this is a rate dictionary. It to get a rate of the item and rate item rate. I think this is the item rate to fix the rate. Item is equal to dot get. Now item rate is equal to int. This will make item this rate dictionary dot I'll pass item here and I will fix rate variable. Where is our rate variable? I think there is rate variable. That we here have not set any rate variable to this. Where our rate variable is now same to this. Let's create dot 2. Now I think everything is okay for us for now. Admin 56. If I change this, let's see if I get chocolate 10 coke. I think this is not rate variable has not been changing because I have global dot. Let's print dot. Yes, I have not passed this one for any command for in option menu. And I think this is main window. Where is our main window? And there is option menu. Here I will pass command is equal to and this. Let's see if we got again. I think this is same. Now it has been changed. I think this coke and this have same price for now. Let's see if it is right giving the same price. And if I type here 120 and it is giving me this quantity and this something has been given me in an exact way, but we will fix because we will use integer in both. Now we have to click this button and we have to save the data. We will extract in next incoming videos because I have joined all the video and I have made this last first part of this only this length up to this length, and I will make the new length in coming videos. New videos for coming series of this we will generate nicer one this, and we will function this logout and this too for now. Now for this where our main window generate bill, and I will make command equal to lambda generate bill. Now I have to define this function here. For now I will only add something. I will create new table and this will be bills. Here I will name ID for this ID name, and this will create all the things like what it will create name, quantity, rate, and on column I will add is cost. We have read everything there, and name we will add something is here, and this will be auto incremented, and we will make this as a primary. This all will be varchar and varchar, and this is varchar. You can make anything for like your wishes. This will be of 150. This quantity rate will be of 5 and cost will be of same 5. Quantities to 5. Let's save this. It is showing my detail, autofill detail. Now here we have to create same function. Here I have to global some variable, so I have made this in here. I have to global item variable. I think this is item variable. We will see that what it is. One global quantity var global item rate. We need not to global here because we are not sending anything. We don't need item var global first var, and we will global dictionary because we don't need dictionary to global, and there are 5, I think 5 or 4 field in our field. 1 2 3 4, as we have 4 field. Let's make this. I think what is our item var is where it is used. Item var is uh, this is our drop down variable. Item name is equal to item dot get. I will get this. Quantity is equal to var dot get. This should be get. Rate is equal to item rate and cost is equal to dedicate. We don't need to make the rate here because it is already a variable. Now let's copy this connection variable from here. I don't need dictionary type or cursor. Now here I will make query. Set into bills and values. Now let's shrink this. I shrink this to here. I should get name, quantity, rate, cost. This is our values, and here I should pass variable 2 and 4. This will get name, cost, where is rate, cost. This will get this cursor dot duplicate query and connection dot commit. This should be commit for insertion. Connection dot close. Never forget to close this variable. Now here we have made this values we should get that generated bill. Let's try. So I will check this quantity 4 and generate bill. It is giving me bill service that bill is not existed. Let's see what table we have now. Sorry for this, this was only bill not bills. Let's find again. Ten, 12, 120 generated bill again cost. Tourniqueted. I'll check this result. Something is error. This is a warning, but I will see that what I have got in my table. Now it is saying me tourniqueted anything. Something is 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that was the problem of that. And let's change the structure. I will make the structure to more, not of 5. Quantity can be 5. Let's change this. I'll change to 10 comma 10 and 10. Save that. It will not tourniquet data now. Now you can add same thing here. I will add chocolate shake. When I add this to 40, it's more. Cost 4 is enough for me. It has added, but we have not cleared that data. We have clear set that data first of all. Now here I will set all this data of item not needed, quantity and cost. 0.00. I will set this to null, nothing for now, and dot set to 0 for this and 0 for this. Now it should be done, and I will define on function to log out. It will define log out. Now here simply I will remove all widget and I will simply with our login window. I think this is login window. Let's see if it's right spelling again. We have to check this again and again. Let's apply that function to our button logout. Where is our logout button? I think this is in main window here. Logout. It should work for me. This video is so much longer than I have expected. On logout, it should paste me this. You can remove that again, but for testing purpose I will use for faster response. We have generated a bill for now. In coming videos will be uploaded soon. We will first of all we will display that all the data of this generated bill, and in coming video here we will change this generated bill to add item to cart, and here we will add this sum button at the bottom of this window, and we will create a generated bill, and we will able to print that bill on any printer that you can select, and we can update these values this video is longer than we expected, so I am stopping this, and within 2 or 3 days it will be the videos will be published of coming series of this. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in